And here we have the Battery Daddy, and this is a pretty cool storage box. As you can see, you can store all kinds of batteries inside. So let's open this up. You can kind of see the picture in the background from the box there. But all different size batteries that you're able to store in here, and you get the battery tester. And so that's what I'm going to do with this giant box of batteries that I have right here. We're going to be able to place all these in here and store them. Now, can you keep these in the packs? Let's see. Ooh, we need to take off one of these to fit it in. But I also got some batteries right here. This battery tester is pretty cool because then you can go through your drawer, your junk drawer, and find those old batteries and test these. Oh, I gotta flip it around first. Okay, squeeze it right here. Good. It's a good battery. See, the needle moves. Okay, so we'll go through here and load this up. You can have spots right here to hold batteries. On the other side, they lay flat. You can hold them on the top. But then also in this section here, this middle section, this is where you can keep all your round batteries, things like this, your little tiny batteries. They can go right here, so they won't fall. You got 9-volt batteries or 6-volt, whatever you want to call them, 9-volt batteries, and all kinds of places. So let's fill this up. Okay, and once you get it all loaded up, this is what I've got. I've got these tons of batteries. What I like is that it's able to hold these D batteries as well as these 9-volt batteries. And also on this tester, you can test your 9-volt batteries right here. You can see that going up. You just press and hold it right there. So that is a good 9-volt. But very cool. It's got the AAAs here. I've still got room for some C batteries. And then in here is where I've got all my button batteries right here. And then we can flip this over, and on the other side is where you're going to fill with all your AA batteries. So room for plenty of those. This thing holds 180 batteries, so I've still got a little bit of room, but as I use these, I'll be able to know what's good and what's bad. But this is a pretty nice case, and great storage case. Nice and compact, and no more junk drawer batteries and not knowing if they're good or bad. But this will be very easy to use to put in a drawer or a cabinet or whatever. But this is the Battery Daddy. Can highly recommend.